Well, it's cold, it's grey, it's miserable, and I bet you're looking around your garden and you've noticed loads of gaps because you've got loads of deciduous plants and you just wish there was something in that spot there that looked amazing in wintertime. That's exactly what Nandina Firepower does, because this has the beautiful red, gorgeous burgundy, all these different shades of foliage throughout the winter. But actually it looks good all year round because this holds its leaves and constantly changes its colour throughout the seasons. Plus it remains compact, it's low maintenance, you can plant it anywhere, it can go in pots and containers, it can go in the ground. It's one of the most versatile plants that we bring you at YouGarden. I've actually got 2 of these Nandina Firepowers in my garden. I actually keep them in pots and containers, though could easily go in the ground if I wanted to. And I've kept them in a couple of different locations in the garden. They've been in a full sun position. They're currently actually residing next to my fatsias in the more shady part of the garden. But the beauty of these remaining compact means that if you container grow, you can move them to wherever you need them in the garden the most. So if you need a plant in the garden that's going to look absolutely amazing all year round and require no attention from you at all, then they are available from YouGarden. Maybe consider not just going for one, go for 2.